Let's dive right in. First, open the Music app on your iPhone. It's usually a colorful icon. You'll recognize it. Tap it to open. If your library is empty, or you're new to this, don't worry. We'll cover a few ways to add music. The most common way is through Apple Music. If you have an active subscription, you can browse, stream, and download millions of songs directly from the app. Simply search for your favorite artist or song and tap on the three dots next to the song. From the menu, an option called Add to Library will appear. Tap on that. This adds the song to your library, which allows you to start building playlists and accessing it at any time. When you are in the library, you can also download a song. From that same menu, tap Download. You'll see an icon appear, typically an arrow pointing downward, next to the song's title. This means it's downloading. Once the download is complete, the icon will change to a phone symbol with a checkmark, meaning it's stored for offline listening. Now, let's talk about organization. With playlists, scroll down and tap on the Playlists tab. Then click the plus sign to create a new playlist. Give it a cool name. After that, click Add Music to start adding songs to your playlist. Feel free to add any songs from your library here. That's it. Now go forth and enjoy your customized tunes on your iPhone. Remember to tap the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. #iPhone and Music #Apple Music Tips.